If you're interested in legitimate ways you can earn money from the internet in 2022, this video is for you. With our world becoming more and more digital, the need to make the internet work for us and earn money online is on the rise. Now is the perfect time to start a new side gig or an online business. Luckily, there are various online money-making opportunities. All you need is a smartphone or laptop, a reliable internet connection, and a very basic understanding of the internet. In this video, we'll be discussing online money-making ideas. So if you want to set up a side hustle from the comfort of your home and make extra money, then keep watching. We're sure you'll find one or two ideas that you'll be interested in. Before we continue, please like this video and hit the subscribe button so you can get notified whenever we drop a new video. Ready to start making money online? Let's get into it. Number 1. Start affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a popular way to earn money online by advertising a product or service. As an affiliate marketer, you would typically promote a company's product on your website, blog, social media, or any other online platform where you have a large audience. In return, the company pays you a commission every time a person makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link. Here's how it works. You put the company's product ad on your website. When someone clicks the ad link, each click converts to traffic. Conversions are tracked. The company either pays you for the external link generated to their site, or when someone makes a purchase through your link, the company pays you a commission. For affiliate marketing, it's best to use a website. The best place to buy a domain and web hosting is WPX, Bluehost, or SiteGuard. And if you would prefer to build your own website, check out Squarespace, Duba, or HostGator. It takes anywhere from 6 months to a year to earn real profit with affiliate marketing. So, you have to be patient and committed. When you've successfully established an affiliate marketing business, you could be making from $100 to $10,000 a day online. Number 2. Become a freelancer. If you're the kind of person who prefers to work at your own convenience and dictate your own work hours, then we recommend freelancing. Do you have a specific skill set, like writing, graphic design, web development, digital marketing, virtual assistants, etc.? Then companies are looking for you. According to a recent survey by People Per Hour, there is currently a massive demand for freelancers. Freelance sites such as Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, TopTal, ProBlogger, and Reference have a lot of clients. All you need is a portfolio and to know how to pitch to clients. You should know that freelancing is just as tasking as a 9-to-5 job and requires effort when it comes to finding clients because of how competitive the freelancing industry is. This is not an industry where you can put in minimum effort if you want to earn a significant amount of money online. There are a lot of resources online to help you make a freelancing strategy in terms of choosing a niche, improving your skills, building an impressive portfolio, and attracting clients. With a good strategy, you will find yourself making up to $60,000 online per year. Number 3. Try a dropshipping business. Dropshipping is becoming an increasingly popular way to make extra money online. It is a B2C, business-to-consumer model where people sell products online using a third-party supplier. What this means is that if you go into dropshipping, you're going to be selling products you don't keep in stock. Instead, when you receive an order from a customer, you forward the order to your supplier, who then processes and fulfills the order. It is much like having your own e-commerce store, except you don't have to deal with the stress of handling inventory and shipping. The hardest part of starting with this business is having to find a reliable supplier. Don't stress, there are websites like Modelist, Spocket, and Salehoo that can connect you to the perfect supplier. It just takes a few hours to start an online dropshipping business, and you can expect to earn money within 2 weeks to 1 month. Hold on, please take a second to like this video before we continue. Number 4. Hosting Airbnbs. Do you own an extra room you don't currently use? You can earn passive income online by renting out spare rooms or your whole house on the Airbnb platform. If renting out your space to strangers makes you uneasy, that's understandable. However, Airbnb provides insurance in the event of any issue. It also has a rating system where you can check out a customer's reputation before renting out your space to them. This is a flexible way to make money online because you have the right to decide when you want to rent out your space, who you rent it out to, the price at which you do so, and the rental rules you might want to implement. Becoming an Airbnb host is fairly straightforward and easy. all you have to do: go to the Airbnb host page, register to publish a new listing, put up high-quality images that showcase your space, add a competitive price, and that's it. After 72 hours, your listing should go live, and you can start accepting rental bookings. Airbnb pays you 24 hours after your guest checks in. By hosting Airbnbs, you can expect to earn an average of $900 per month. Number 5. Tutor Students online. Education is turning virtual, especially after the pandemic. Many students now prefer to learn from the comfort of their homes and are actively looking for online tutors. As an independent online tutor, you can offer your services through video and audio communication apps like Microsoft Teams, Skype, or Zoom, and get paid online via PayPal. So, if the thought of creating lesson plans and modules and giving feedback to students excites you, then this is a good choice for you. Becoming an online tutor might require a little bit more effort because students and online tutoring sites want high-quality tutors. Consider getting certificates to improve your credibility as well as increase your chances of getting high-paying tutoring gigs. Some freelance sites allow you to teach a specific subject only, like English, math, or languages, while others let you teach whatever you want as long as there are clients requesting that subject. Start by deciding what niche you'd like to go into. Then join an online tutoring platform. Reply, Tutor.com, Schooly, and TutorMe are 4 popular websites that you can sign up for. At this point, you're probably wondering how much money you can make from online tutoring. Well, it depends on how many hours you work, the number of students you have, and the subjects you teach. But according to Preply survey, the average amount you can expect to earn is $18.30 per hour. Number 6. Become a mystery shopper. Did you know that retailers or market research companies hire people to shop at one or more specific true locations and give feedback on the overall customer experience? These people are called mystery shoppers. This online remote job is perfect for people who love shopping. You can earn extra money by doing something you love. What's better than that? What is your poker face like? Because as a mystery shopper, you'll have to pretend to be a regular shopper while observing the store's product and customer service quality. You might even be hired to monitor the quality service of a call center or gather specific information about a company's competitors. There are 3 ways you'll be paid for mystery shopping. 1. Cash payment only. 2. Cash payment and reimbursement. That is, you get paid to do mystery shopping and also get to keep the product or service you bought. 3. Reimbursement only. There have been reports of scams involving mystery shopping companies. The way you can identify these scams is if the company asks you for money in advance. Mystery shoppers do not pay a sign-up fee. Ready to be a mystery shopper? Head over to reputable websites like Bestmark, Secret Shopper, or MarketForce and sign up. The amount of money you'll earn depends on the company, but most mystery shoppers say they earn between $10 to $25 per gig, paid directly by check or via PayPal. Additional payment options include gift cards and vouchers. Making money online takes effort. There are many more ways to earn money online, and whichever you choose, as long as you're ready to put in the work, it will definitely pay off in the long run. That concludes this video. Subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for more, and I'll see you in the next video.